Why are Chinese factories able to launch new products so quickly? The global market changes fast, but China's supply chain moves even faster. Many new products are actually driven by changing market trends. For example, this track racing car is one of the toy categories that has become increasingly popular in recent years. What makes it interesting is the special color-changing coating applied to the car body. When exposed to different temperatures, the color changes instantly. This kind of interactive experience makes products more appealing to children and family consumers, while also increasing repeat purchases and social sharing potential. But before a product enters the market, the real focus is whether it can be produced smoothly and consistently. What truly determines successful product development is an executable supply chain solution. Some buyers provide only an idea, a sketch, or simply a market direction. Factories then further develop the product based on production structure, cost, materials, and market demand. Will the color-changing effect remain consistent under different temperature conditions? Are the mold costs and production structure commercially reasonable? From concept to production, factories turn customer requirements into real products through coordinated development and manufacturing. This is one of the reasons why China's supply chain can continuously launch new products at high speed. Industrial clusters allow development, sampling, production, and packaging to operate simultaneously and collaboratively. New product development is not just about creativity, it is about the coordination capability of an entire supply chain ecosystem. As a factory direct supply platform in China, ESSACHINA continuously shares the latest products and supply chain trends with global buyers, helping them connect with China's supply chain faster and turning ideas into market opportunities.